Welcome to Asia Society's Basic Filipino Language Lesson. We'll first begin with a few greetings.
Magandang umaga! Magandang hapon! Magandang gabi!
Here are some greetings that are used in daily conversations.
Hello!
Hi!
Kamusta?
This term is used when speaking with friends. The more formal term used when you are speaking with respect to someone older or with authority is
Kamusta po kayo?
Mabuti, salamat. Ikaw?
Mabuti rin.
Next we'll show how to introduce yourself.
Anong pangalan mo?
Ako si Maria. Ikaw?
Ako naman si Enday.
Paalam! Next are the common phrases.
Oo. Opo.
The word po is used to denote a high level of respect when addressing older persons like parents or teachers. It can be used in any case in order to express an elevation of respect. Take the following examples.
Hindi. Hindi po. Salamat. Salamat po. Maraming salamat. Maraming salamat po. Walang anuman. Walang anuman po. Pakiusap. Pakiusap po. Sandali lang. Sandali lang po.
Other phrases include
Paumanhin. Ingat. Tao po.
This is used when visiting a house. It alerts the people inside that you're at their door.
May tao po ba?
Common questions.
Ano? Ano po yan? Sino? Sino po yung nagbebenta dito ng kamatis? Saan? Saan po may banyo? Kailan? Kailan po ba ang piyesta dito? Paano? Paano po ito niluluto? Ilan? Ilan po ba sa 1 kilo? Magkano? Magkano po ito? Anong oras na? Pwede niyo po ba ako dalhin sa palengke?
This phrase can be used when using a taxi.
Pwede niyo po ba ako dalhin sa bahay?
Remember to practice and thank you for watching.